is allowed to foam, the shock absorber would lose its ability to control the spring and the vehicle ride and performance would suffer. The Ironman 4x4 Foamcell shock absorber has one very distinct difference to the nitrogen gas one. The Foamcell unit contains a sleeve of special closed-cell foam. This soft-cell material contains thousands of small gas pockets inside that neutralize the pressure generated during fluid displacement. The benefits of this system is that the gas and fluid are separated and don't mix together, enabling Ironman to completely fill both the inner and outer chambers with fluid. Why is this important? As shock absorbers work by transforming kinetic energy into heat, the oil temperature in the inner tube rises, and it needs to be dissipated into the atmosphere through the outer tube that acts as a form of radiator. The bigger surface area due to the additional oil capacity effectively creates a larger and more efficient radiator than what the gas-charged shock absorber can, meaning that you will be able to drive your vehicle in more demanding conditions for longer times without loss of damping control. This feature makes Foamcell shock absorbers ideal for those drivers seeking the toughest off-road conditions.